Hi everyone, Tom Vaughton here from Varn, and I wanted to share with you the big news in SEO and search this week. It means that SEO will be fun and challenging again, and it's about the launch of SearchGPT. This is the new generative AI-powered search engine from OpenAI. And as you may have guessed, SearchGPT doesn't quite work like Google. This search engine can generate and interpret responses using a much more human approach. This means it's trying to understand your intent more deeply when you search, and as a consequence, provide you with better and more actionable answers. Or that's the aim, anyway. So, what does that mean for businesses and marketeers going forward? It is going to be an interesting challenge. Firstly, from our innovation team's research, SearchGPT's sort of seems to show a clear preference for in-depth, fresh, multifaceted content, which addresses a topic from various angles. This means you'll need to be creating thorough, well-structured content and then keep it up to date. The content, whether that is a blog or an article, will need to answer a range of related questions within a topic. This seems to be key. Simply focusing on keywords isn't enough, as this new AI-powered search engine values content that's comprehensive, credible, and ideally well-cited. That means that your content should reference credible sources to strengthen its authority and reliability in SearchGPT's results, and this is where your tech team will be able to help you with relevant structured data and schema. Secondly, SearchGPT's focus is on actionable insights and real-world examples. For example, in e-commerce, it's currently looking for content that offers practical solutions and step-by-step guides. So, adding clear, helpful advice or guides on your pages could be a big advantage. Basically, it's content that takes sort of thought and effort, not just turnkey content for the sake of it or just for SEO. Also, visual aids like charts, infographics and other graphics seem to be gaining importance. The SearchGPT seems to have sort of decided that if they can make content more engaging, it will probably do better, and therefore you need to improve how you create content. Thirdly, SearchGPT is also able to anticipate sort of follow-up questions from users. So you need to sort of content that covers related topics or potential next questions, and clearly link it, within your site structure so it's easy to find. Now, all of these factors sort of emphasize that brands and businesses will need to create content that isn't simply informational, but is also very relevant, helpful, and up to date for the searcher. SearchGPT is still obviously in its early stages and is currently only available actually to a limited user base, so things will change and evolve. In fact, some of our initial testing shows obviously a few inaccuracies, you may not be surprised to hear, but that said, my advice now is that it's crucial to stay agile, keep testing your search strategies as this tool develops, and focus on quality, not cutting corners looking for quick wins. As I mentioned at Brighton SEO or GEO or AEO, whatever you want to call it, isn't dead. But bad SEO that tries to cut corners will probably be dead in the next 12 months. At Varn, our innovation team is actively researching SearchGPT's impact and experimenting with content strategies so that our clients can stay ahead. We'll keep you updated on our LinkedIn page and our blog with more insights as things progress. Thanks for your time, and do drop me a message if you have any questions.